150. It's all happening so quickly. Anyway, for the 150 subscriber special, as I promised, I'm going to be doing an experiment. And this time is a tornado experiment. It comes from this packaging. 5 different settings. Doesn't really do much. Well, a little bit. I'm just gonna bring this up. And this is what it does on the third setting. This would be the fourth setting. Fourth setting on here. Oh, aka that 4 tornado. It's actually doing a lot. And there you have it, your very own tornado in a water bottle. Well, this is kind of water. This is kind of a water bottle. There you have it, folks. Your very own homemade tornado.